Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business brand backdrops using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop with a large canvas. I pause because brand backdrops need consistency. I add a new layer and apply render clouds. I adjust brightness slightly. I add a gradient for brand identity. I reduce opacity. The clouds now feel refined. This backdrop fits banners, thumbnails, and ads. Render clouds creates versatility for business branding. I stop when everything feels aligned. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every